Learners, for the level 5 in Python tutorial, let's dive into the today's concepts with reverse string, stack, and recursive, and more with their programs. Today, let's start with the reverse string. In reverse string, the problem is to reverse a string. If the input is the hello learners, then the output will be like this, like yes, or E, N, or A, L, E likewise. Okay. A string is almost like a list. A list of characters you can access any element by index. You can run a loop for on it. You will get each character as an element. The rest you can also add two string or join two characters. Okay. I'll show you the code like the first string, the sort. I'll give the explanation. A simple trick will make it work, okay? Let's say you wrote like first I'll just run it. Enter your screen. So I just simply write hello. If I hit the enter, it will give the reverse string of my OLLEH. If you break down into a run for a loop with each character at a time, you will get first H and then E and then I and so on. Now while adding each character added before the previous one, hence first you have the H, then while adding E you have added before H. It will become EH. Then I will come and add it before. This will give you. Keep doing it, you will get like 𝐻𝐸. Now if you all look at the code, you will understand why we did the reverse equal to character plus reverse. Okay? Hope you guys understand. Moreover, in the string, the string means it's just immutable, that it means not changing. Okay? Reverse a string using the stack. How we will This is a little fancier way to reverse a string. However, this will help you understand one concept called stack. Okay. If you are not familiar with the stack, don't worry. We have it covered in the data structure. But now just remember you have to use pop method to give the last element of the list. Okay. This is the example. Equal to blah 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 blah. This might be seems to worry, but I'll give you the explanation, right? In the function, we declare a list named stack. And then we loop through the input string and put every character of a string inside the list. Then we have an empty string. Later we run a while loop inside the loop. The overall idea is very simple. Take the last element and keep adding on it. Hence the last element will come first and you will put it in the first position, and then in the next iteration the second to the last element will be coming and will get added. If needed, add a print command to see how it works. Okay. Let's run it. So just asking for what is your string. I'm just giving hello learners. Then when I hit the enter button, it will give the output as reverse stack. Okay. Reverse string using the method recursive. You already know the recursive function, so it would be easier. Also, let's talk a little bit about the range selector, which is also known by slicing. Yes. For example, you want to select a range of your elements. You can define a range by using a column inside the third bracket. In the code, You can selecting from question 3 to just before the 7th question. I will give you the exact code for the better understanding. So that exact output will just be like this, like a press stay here. It will giving the exact just as such as this will give you for your reference. I'll show you how to implement in the code. Okay. Here in the recursive function, look at the else condition. We are selecting the string 1. This means we are selecting the string from the first index and send it recursively to the reverse record function. And you are adding string 0 at the end. Here, string 0 is the first element and you are adding n. This means you are adding the first element at the end, and if you keep doing it every time and at the first element at the last, you will create a reverse string. While I'm running, in fact, below. The reverse string is in the concept for positions for today. Let's see with the next topic on the next list.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!